Don't make him come through.
Come here.
Oh my goodness.
Come here. What did you do? What did you do?
Oh, yes. Oh my God.
He's so mad.
Look at me, honey. You in trouble? Who did that, honey? Honey, who did that? Huh? Did you do that? That's not nice. Nope, not nice.
Woo! Finally done that. Put that up. Am I being too loud? I'm sorry. Do I need to turn the music down too?
Puppy?
You see our food boat? Yeah. He's swinging.
What did you do? What did you do? Who was the naughty dog? Did you eat kale?
You giving a triple kiss?
Lá foi, vai, vai!
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Bring it here. Bring it here. Good job. Bring it to me. There you go. Good job.
Look at this. Oh my God, is that funny? Storm, you're never going to catch it. You realize that. It's physically impossible.
Boy!
She's doing really good. When I brought him the first time, he just barked and barked and how embarrassing. We'll even teach her to play.
I think he's just taunting you.
Hello? Hello? Knock it off. Thank you.
Tiki, what?
Kill me. Kill me again. Oh, 3 times. 4 times. Oh, yep.
Okay, so every time I just try to attempt some drinking water, yo! I can't even make a video.
Does he do that for you guys? Funny problem.
I knew you were coming. I knew it.
Daisy, was that Freddy? Freddy, did you rip up that napkin and eat the cookie that was inside? Did you eat the cookie? Let me see those claws. Uh-oh. Did you eat the cookie?
So Metro thinks his food isn't ever good enough. It needs to be dressed up. So I learned this little trick on the internet. Oh, lucky dog. Lucky dog. Oh, man.
There's a cop right there.
Get him, get him. Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, he almost got hit.
Dude, that scared the out of me. Look at that guy. Oh, poor buddy. He's so scared.
Yeah. There's a cop right here. So.
There he is. There he is. They got him. Oh, no, 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 no. Poor buddy. He's so scared. Come here, buddy. We got him.
No, no, but we have to...
Oh, buddy. You're so...
So cute. It's a bag.
It's a bag. It's a sheep. Do you know whose sheep this is? It's your sheep. Do you know this is for you? This is your present.
Oh, cute and way cute.
It's cute. It's for Olive.
I'm the dumber guy.
The banker is the only person who can prove that First Lady's St. Lucia account is a loan setup.
I'll never give you his name.
It could be very persuasive.
You can't sleep with the swans.
They want to sleep with their mother.
You can't sleep with the swans.
Because they can't. They want to sleep with them. They do. Look at them. Look at them perfectly sleeping.
They're looking in a braid right now. They're like in a braid. Where's someone's head?
You can't sleep with the swans.
I'm their mother.
We don't do that. Put her down, please. We don't do that.
Yes, she's happy for me. She's happy for me. Look, she's happy. Look. Look.
Oh, I see.
She hates it. I'm trying to get her used to it. If I can take you outside. If I can take you outside. What? Right now? It's raining. What are you doing? Oh my god, you're lucky you're too cute. Stop it! Oh my god, I can't even be mad. No, no, no. Stay outside. No, stay outside. Oh my god. Murphy. Shh. You have to be quiet because we're at work. Murphy. Shh. Shh. Murphy. I have to type.
Good job. Good job.
Good boy.
I gave you a chewy. I gave Kiko a chewy. You ate Kiko's chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry.
You're gonna, is he stuck? Oh no.
He's following me, like his mother. Are you my mother?
Wow, he's keeping up with us.
I think I'm going slow.
Is he gonna follow us all the way to Big Beach?
No, this is like the strangest thing ever.
Ever.
Wow.
Ever.
Let mommy do it. Come on, we have to do. Jonesy, come on, let me come here. Let me.
Dzięki, jesteś kolegą nowy. Co ja mam bez ciebie zrobić, Czarek?
Brawo, Kitka.
Oh, baby, why'd you go her tongue out? Are you okay? Get your tongue back in your mouth.
It's a peacock attacking itself in the mirror. Yay!
Concerned. Oh, Gizzy.
What did he get you?
Stanny, is that your brother?
No.
Is that a brother?
What is that?
Is that your brother?
I got your nose. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back. There you go.
There you go. It's back.
It's all done. Yeah.
You're so cute. Mwah. What happened? Oh my goodness. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
How many times? Ow, ow. No, no, ow. Stop it. No, ow. Stop. What are you doing? I'm not even touching you.
Oh, you're so cute with your tongue. I gotta put it down. I know. Okay. Nasıl şımarıyor? Aa, acıdı, tamam. Tamam, sakin.
Get all the catnip. Was it you?
I don't care how much you bite me. I'm still cutting your nails. You like to scratch? Look. Look at this. You like scratching? Here we go.
Go flash.
All right, there.
He drags her around by his collar. Hey, careful.
You gotta let her get up, sweetie. Maggie. Maggie. Oh. Oh, poor baby.
Did you get that?
Go, baby, go!
It's okay. No, leave it alone.
Que gracinha, gente, olha só.
Let me sit. Sit.
Flash. What the heck?